So well. In Spanish, we have filler words, like you call it in English. We call it muletillas, and a lot of them are very popular in our speech. So, are you ready today to know the filler words in Spanish? Tres, dos, uno. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis, and today you will know filler words in Spanish, some of them, maybe some of the most popular. Let's start with the number one today. So the filler words in Spanish, in colloquial Spanish, we use it like in English. Those words are used not to carry any semantic, but allow the simplest serve to fill the conversation or to connect the words. And the number one today is en fin. En fin is very popular, in fact. En fin means anyway. So, en fin. En fin, cuando yo llegué a casa me di cuenta que había perdido mi teléfono en la calle. En fin, tenemos que terminar. Yo quiero dormir. So, the number two today is pues. Pues in English is well. Pues. Pues vayamos al cine. Pues tenemos que hacer la tarea. Pues deberías hacer silencio porque yo quiero hablar. Pues also very popular. And the number three today is o sea. O sea, I like it so much. O sea means like that's it. Maybe well, maybe that means, maybe it means. Different contexts. O sea, que ahora tenemos que pagar más por la gasolina. O sea, yo no entiendo nada. Yes, guys, o sea have different meanings in English because o sea is a filler word in Spanish but have different meaning. We use it in different contexts. Got it? And the number four is así. Last year we made the video how to say in Spanish so. Así means so. And we have other options how to say so, but here we talk about así. If you haven't watched that video how to say so in Spanish, I advise you to watch. In the description here you can find that video, guys. Así que tú querías hablar conmigo. And the number five today is bueno. Bueno means like okay, well also. Different contexts. For example, bueno, terminamos, yo me voy a mi casa. Bueno, no sé qué decir. Bueno, tenemos que terminar este video. And now you know 5 different filler words in Spanish, guys. And what we did today? Today we did en fin, pues, o sea, así y bueno. Guys, 5 different filler words in Spanish that now you know it. Let me know in the comments. You knew some of them, all of them, which one? I don't know. It's interesting. Maybe you know another one, maybe you know more of them, and you can write here in the comments. It will be useful for some people that are learning Spanish. And if you know someone that maybe this video can be useful for them, just share this video with them, the channel, and like and subscribe for future content. See you in the next video. And, en fin, terminamos. Pues este es el final. Hasta la vista.